goes, really? And I said, yeah. And do you know what she said to me, which I thought was the funniest thing I've ever heard? She goes, you look really good for 35. I was like, thank you.
She's being sassy.
I know, right? But then, the medical assistant told me, she said, after you left, she goes, he looks really good for 35, doesn't he? And I was like, oh my God, she's going with this. And I wonder if she's trying to get the assistant to break character and tell her how old I really am. Okay.
Good thing you're not watching, Wayne. You don't like oozy stuff.
I'm not like you, dear.